Hi guys, welcome to another video. And in today's video, we'll talk about, do you want to become a business analyst? Then here is what you should do. I am Abhinav Sabharwal, trainer for business analyst, RPA and Agile. Now in today's video, we'll cover who is a business analyst, what do business analysts do. We'll talk about the business analyst job description, salary range of business analyst in India, and how to career transition into a business analyst role, as well as key highlights of our BA program. So who is a business analyst? Business analyst is a vital link between a company's business objectives and IT. They facilitate the communication between stakeholders, project teams, and developers to execute projects, cut cost, and improve quality. They are basically translators. A business analyst defines, prioritizes, and gets feedback and approval on business requirements. Form a strategy to transform these requirements into a plan that IT team members can execute. A business analyst are involved in a wide variety of issues depending on the type of company they work for. This creates a job that is fast-paced and ever-evolving. So guys, basically BA is a translator. He translates the requirements that the business group gives to him into something that technical people can follow. Now let's look at what exactly do they do. Business analysts evaluate and organize processes, structure, and goals to identify performance gaps and determine information-based solutions. Successful business analysts provide direction and support that positively impact the business bottom line. They play a critical role in business. They understand the needs of both business side and technical side, and often serves as translators between management and IT. Technical team members rely on business analysts to interpret their tasks in terms that they can act upon. Conversely, analysts can convert technical jargon into more user-friendly terms for management and non-technical stakeholders. Now let's look at the business analyst job description. What do systems need to do? How do they do it? And who do we need to get input from? And how do we get everyone to agree on what we need to do before we go out and do it? The BA's life revolve around defining requirements and prioritizing requirements and getting feedback and approval on requirements. BAs are responsible for creating new models that support business decisions by working closely with IT teams to establish initiatives and strategies to improve importing and to optimize the costs. Identifying and then prioritizing technical and functional requirements tops the business analyst list of responsibilities. Elicitation of requirements and using those requirements to get the IT on board and understand what the client really wants. That's one of the biggest responsibility of BAs. The role of a business analyst is constantly evolving and changing, especially as the companies rely more on data to advise business operations. Every company has a different issue that a business analyst can address, whether it's dealing with outdated legacy systems, changing technologies, dealing with broken promises, poor client or customer satisfaction. All of these are challenges where BAs do value addition to help their clients make a positive change. The question that you are really looking forward to: how much do business analysts make? Now, the average entry level business analyst salary in India is rupees 7 lakh rupees about. And I'm sorry guys, but my knowledge is limited to Indian market at the moment. However, salaries for business analysts can be as high as rupees 18 lakh rupees. Now, obviously, 7 lakh salary is for entry level business analyst who has about 0 to 1 year of experience. And 18 lakh salary will be for somebody who has about 13 to 14 years of experience. But many factors influence this salary variance, including location, education, whether you are from tier 1 or tier 2 college, what kind of certifications you have done, what kind of performance have you demonstrated in a given year, additional skills and experience. So how do you become a business analyst? How do you transition your career and become a business analyst? If you are currently working in another area of IT or business, you already possess many of the skills required to become a business analyst. For example, a software developer's analysis and data mining skills transfer seamlessly to the responsibilities of a BA. If you come from a business background, understanding operational processes and business analysis practices will give you advantages in a business analyst career. Transferable skills can help you skip entry-level positions and ease naturally into a BA role. Not all business analysts need to be from a IT background, as long as they have a general understanding of how systems, products, and tools work in the organization. Alternatively, some BAs have a strong IT background and less experience in business and are more interested in shifting away from IT to this hybrid role. Now, what kind of a roles or profiles can become a business analyst? Manual testers, automation testers, L1 and L2 support, people from pre-sales or sales background. All of these people can become business analysts with right amount of training and dedication. Here at School of RPA, we help you become a business analyst. We teach you business analysis and help you with the interview preparation and placement assistance. If you want to become a business analyst, investing in a professional training like ours will give you skills need to enter the role with the confidence. We have a comprehensive training course at every expertise level to enhance your business analyst career. Now, whether you are looking at the entry level BA kind of a thing, uh, getting into a BA role, or you are already a BA and you want to become a product manager or want to work in an agile environment, we have courses for you. Now, our BA program is very unique. Unlike other certifications, which give you a lot of uh, knowledge, but not all of it is implementable, ours is a project-based approach with case studies and assignments. We have a career assistance, resume, and interview preparation built in our course. We have live online instructor-led sessions, which are recorded, and after each session, you are sent a video file of your session along with the PPTs that you were shown in the session. Flexible timing and weekend batches are available. So for most working professionals, learning in the daytime during week is not possible. That is why we have a flexible timing like up 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 8 p.m., 9 p.m. or early morning ones. Also weekend batches. And we have a regular doubt clearing sessions. So you can be very sure that whatever you are being taught is very clear to you. All right, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you think you are interested in knowing more about our courses, call me on 900-480-9189 or write to me on schoolofrp@gmail.com, and we are happy to give you a no-cost demo lecture. You can also ask the questions to me or let us know your views by putting comments in comment section below.